Hello students, welcome to the class of EDCA. So in this video we can see the next type of DC generators, that is the compound wound DC generator. So I have said compound wound DC generator, there are again two types. So first one we can see the long shunt DC generators. Okay, so as it is a compound wound DC generator, it has two windings, that is the one winding is series winding and the next is the shunt winding. So when it is a long shunt DC generator, the shunt field winding is wound in parallel with the combination of armature winding and the series winding. Okay, so here we have to now reduce the voltage equations. Okay, so let's see. So this is the DC generator which is having a series winding and also a shunt field winding. The series winding is represented with RSC and the shunt field winding is represented with RSH, and a load is connected. The terminal voltage we are representing it as V. Okay, as it is a generator, it will be generating a current, we can say it is IA, and then the IA will be flowing into two paths, that is towards load side we can say IL and towards shunt field winding we can say ISH. Okay, so we can write the equation IA is equal to IL plus ISH. Next we have to write the voltage equation, terminal voltage equation. So we can write it as, it will not be equal to EG. Okay, some voltage drop will be coming, so we can say EG minus generated voltage minus. So the first drop will be due to armature resistance RA, that is IA RA drop, minus we can say brush drop, minus again here there is some resistance, so again here some voltage will be lost, that is due to RSC, that is the current flown through RSC is IA itself. So IA RSC drop. Okay, so this we can write it is EG minus brush drop minus IA into RA plus RSC. Okay, so this is the we can take IA as common. So this is the voltage equation. Next we have to find what is ISH. ISH we have to find. So current through this resistance will be equal to V by R. That is the voltage across this resistance is, so this same voltage, terminal voltage will be due to the load and shunt field resistance is connected in parallel, therefore ISH equal to voltage across this resistance is V, terminal voltage itself V by RSH. Okay, so these are the equations we are getting from this long shunt DC generator. Okay, so now let us see the short shunt DC generator. That is, here also since it is a compound wound DC generator, it will be having a series winding and a shunt field winding, and the shunt field winding is connected in parallel only with the armature winding. Okay, so that is the short shunt DC generator. Okay, so here also we have to write the equations. So generator, as it rotates, a current will be generated IA, it will be going to two paths. So this is the shunt current, so this is the load current IL. Okay, so we can write IA equal to IL plus ISH. Okay, now we have to write the terminal voltage equation. V equal to, it will not be equal to EG, so then some voltage drop will be coming. Okay, so we have to write V equal to EG minus the first drop will be due to armature resistance drop, IA RA drop. Next, then with if there will be some brush drop, minus again here also some resistance is coming, right? So here the voltage drop will be due to V equal to I into R. The current through this resistance is IL and the resistance is RSC. So IL RSC drop. Okay, so we have accounted all the drop, then that voltage will be getting towards the will be delivered at the load. So V equal to, we can write this equation. Okay, then we have to find this current, ISH current through the shunt field winding is equal to I equal to V by R, that is the voltage across this resistance divided by the resistance value. So this is this, here there is, that is this voltage V, the same voltage is not delivered in this resistance because there is some resistance. Okay, here there is some resistance, so this is not a parallel path, so we have to account this resistance voltage drop also. Okay, so what will be the voltage drop at this end? That is this voltage V plus the voltage drop due plus the voltage drop going here. Okay, so ISH equal to V, the voltage across this resistance is equal to V plus IL RSC, V plus this drop, this voltage drop is will be getting this side. Okay, so the same voltage will be coming this side. Okay, so V plus IL RSC is the voltage divided by the resistance of that resistance is RSH. Okay, so these are the voltage equations in shunt wound DC generators. Okay, so next we can see another two types of compound generator. The compound generators are also classified based upon the way of winding this series and shunt winding. Okay, so in that way the compound generators are classified into cumulatively compound DC generator and differentially compound DC generator. So this is based upon how the series and shunt field windings are wounded. Okay, so here let us see cumulatively compound DC generator. See, the current direction is same. Okay, here also the current is entering from this side and leaving. The series winding also the current is entering and leaving is the same direction. So the total flux produced will be equal to the flux produced by the shunt field winding plus the flux produced by the series field winding. So in this case, see, the current is entering through the shunt in this direction and leaving, but in series winding the current is entering in the opposite side. Okay, so here the series flux will demagnetize the shunt field flux. Okay, so the total MMF, we can say the shunt field flux minus the series field flux. Therefore we are saying it is differentially compound. Okay, so the cumulatively compound DC generators, if the series MMF aids the shunt field flux, then it is called as cumulatively compound DC generator, and if the series flux demagnetize the shunt field flux, then it is called as differentially compound DC generator. Okay, so these are the different types of compound wound DC generator. Compound wound DC generators are classified into long shunt and short shunt DC generator. They are again classified into cumulatively compound and differentially compound DC generator. Okay. Okay. Thank you.